Ever wondered what secrets airport staff really don't want you to know?
Ah,
The kind of tips that could save you hours, hundreds of dollars, and maybe even a missed flight? Today, we're diving into 11 insider tricks airlines hope you never find out about. Tip number 7 alone could change the way you fly forever. Number 1. Most travelers book a flight and never look back. But here's a secret the airlines won't advertise. The 24-hour rule. In many countries, especially the US and parts of Europe, you're legally allowed to cancel a flight within 24 hours of booking, no questions asked. Smart travelers use this to their advantage. They'll book a flight at a decent price and then keep looking for cheaper deals. If they find one within 24 hours, they cancel the first booking and grab the better one. Airlines hate this because it breaks their pricing algorithm. They rely on urgency, but the 24-hour rule gives you time and power. Don't panic and don't check your bag at the counter. Instead, walk confidently to the gate and ask for a gate check. It's completely free and often faster than traditional checked baggage. Plus, your bag usually comes out with priority items or directly at the gate upon arrival. Airport staff won't advertise this because they want fewer passengers taking advantage of it. But savvy travelers know, when bins are full, gate checking is your best friend. It avoids the long baggage claim wait, and you're not paying a dime. Pro tip, use a bright luggage tag so your bag is easy to spot when it's returned. And always carry your essentials in a small personal item just in case. Websites like Seat Guru or airline-specific tools show which seats are broken, tighter or noisier due to proximity to galleys or lavatories. But here's the real trick. Check seat maps again, 24 to 48 hours before departure. When airlines often upgrade frequent flyers and suddenly release blocked premium economy or exit row seats for free. You can swoop in and grab them during online check-in. The one at the front of the plane. Most passengers instinctively head toward the back. But the front lavatory, often used by business class or staff, stays cleaner, longer and smells better too. Want access? Time your visit early in the flight, right after takeoff when the seatbelt sign turns off. Airlines use dynamic pricing, which means fares change constantly depending on demand. Here's the trick. Flights are often cheapest when booked on Tuesday or Wednesday, around midnight in the airline's time zone. Why? Because unsold seats from the weekend are released and prices drop temporarily. Airport staff and even customer service agents know this, but they won't tell you. It's how airlines silently refill planes without triggering price alarms. Here's a trick that can sometimes bump you up without paying extra. When you check in online or via the app, recheck the boarding pass a few hours later. Airlines occasionally reassign groups due to aircraft changes, status upgrades, or overbookings. Think again. You can get into many lounges for free, without status or premium tickets. Use credit cards like Amex Platinum or Capital One Venture X, which offer free lounge access as a perk. Don't have those? Like Lounge Buddy or Priority Pass often include one-time free entries with certain bookings. But here's the real hack. Some lounges let you in with a same-day international ticket and a smile. Show up early. Ask if there are promo entries or unused passes. You'd be amazed how often staff grant access when it's not crowded. They won't advertise it. They want to preserve exclusivity. But savvy travelers know that a little charm, timing, and research can turn a chaotic airport wait into a calm Wi-Fi-filled paradise. But here's the move. Exit the terminal and walk 3 to 5 minutes to the departure zone or an outer parking area. Rideshare apps like Uber or Careem charge significantly less from these zones, and you avoid the surge pricing set near arrivals. Taxi drivers won't tell you this trick. Neither will airport signs. They rely on convenience and confusion to inflate fares. Another insider move? Use public transport maps stored offline on Google Maps before landing. Let's say you're in a row with 3 seats and the middle is empty. You want to keep it that way? When boarding nears its end and someone approaches your row, pretend to be on the phone saying something like, "Yeah, the baby's fever is better, but she still has the rash." Most people will instantly back away and find another spot if available. It sounds extreme, but it works because humans avoid discomfort at all costs. Now, do this ethically. Don't take up more space than you need. But if a little psychological jujitsu helps preserve your comfort on a long flight, why not? Airport staff can't interfere. It's a gray zone, non-official, but effective. And hey, Sometimes survival in economy takes a little creativity. It can save you up to 80% and often gets you to the city center faster during traffic hours. Don't let your trip start with a ripoff. Walk a little, save a lot. If that doesn't happen, try this. Ask a gate agent politely. If you can assist an elderly passenger, or are you re-traveling with a family member who boards earlier, often they'll let you slide in. Staff won't promote this trick, it messes with their boarding order. But if done with courtesy, it works like magic. Getting on early means overhead bin space, settling in comfortably, and avoiding aisle traffic chaos. And yes, you'll feel like a secret agent gliding past the crowd. Use incognito mode, clear your cookies, and book during these golden hours. You'd be surprised how often you'll save $50 to $150 without using a single promo code. Combine this with price alerts from Google Flights, and you'll become an airfare ninja in no time. Walk up politely, and if crew stops you, just say your rear lav was full or closed. 9 out of 10 times, they'll let you pass. Flight attendants won't encourage this, because they want to keep that area exclusive. The hack: bring an empty reusable bottle through the checkpoint. Once you're passed, fill it up with cold, filtered water, absolutely free. Better yet, use a collapsible bottle that rolls up in your bag. It saves space and money. Flight attendants love this because it reduces trash on the plane, but most airports keep refill stations tucked away near restrooms or gates not labeled clearly. Why? Because they want you to buy overpriced water. But now you know better. Refill before boarding. Stay hydrated at 35,000 feet. And skip those $5 plastic scams. You'll feel like a budget travel pro, and the planet will thank you too. But guess what? You're paying for the same ticket, and you deserve a fresh restroom too. Use it before the crowd doesn't thank us later. Airport staff won't tell you this because they want to upsell those seats. But if you time it right and refresh those maps, especially late at night, you'll often strike gold. Comfort for free. It's the kind of hack you fly with forever. So next time you're buying a ticket, remember, you're not locked in right away. Use that grace period to shop around or even to sleep on your decision. It could save you hundreds. Number 2, do you pay the ridiculous $60 fee? It's not if you know the staff's blind spot. Most airline workers won't reweigh your bag if you step aside and rearrange it. Simply pull out a small tote or backpack, remove heavier items like shoes, chargers, or jeans, and put them in your personal item. Once you reapproach, your bag almost always makes the cut. Here's another pro move. Wear your heaviest clothing. Layer up with jackets or hoodies. Airlines only weigh the bag, not the passenger. They hate when people do this because it works so well. In fact, frequent flyers even pack travel vests with deep pockets to store tech and snacks. Don't let the scale scare you. Smart the system with a smile. Ever boarded late and found all the overhead bins stuffed to the brim? Number 3. You're at the check-in counter. Your bag's just a little overweight. Number 4. Ever wonder why some people always get the best economy seats legroom? Near the front and quiet? It's not luck. It's seat map stalking. Number 5. Airplane bathrooms can be disgusting by mid-flight, but there's a secret clean one no one tells you about. Number 6. You're still booking flights on weekends or during work hours? You're probably overpaying. Number 7. Ever stuck in Group 9? Waiting forever to board? Number 8. You think airport lounges are only for business travelers or rich flyers? Number 9. Airport water bottles are criminally expensive. You already know that. But did you know most major airports now have free refill stations right after security? Number 10. When you land, you're tired. You just want to get to your hotel. That's when airport taxi scams strike hardest, especially for tourists. Number 11. This one's a little sneaky, but seasoned travelers swear by it. There you have it. 11 airport and flight hacks airlines hope you never find out which one blew your mind. Comment below, subscribe for weekly flight secrets, and until next time, fly smarter, not harder.